Alright, here's my next boiler and engine. It's a combination. I'm going to sell both of them together. You could buy a separate one if you wanted to, an engine or boiler. I'm running on coal today. Beautiful. This engine I just completed, one of the two. 3-inch bore, 4-inch stroke. Really nice oiler on it. There's a weld right here on it, but it does not leak at all. I'll have it under pressure, so it's good. Whoever welded it up did a good job. The boiler is 20-inch diameter, and it's 32 inches tall. Has 22.5-inch copper tubes rolled in, and the firebox is 24 square. There's a really nice gauge on it, and whistle, and the pop-off valve is set at 70 pounds. I will remove this valve, this safety valve here, just making sure it works properly, but it is working good at 70 pounds. Got a really nice electric water pump on it. I'll show how that works. A new plug-in switch here. Okay, so this is the airlock valve. Let's see how much pressure it's got. And now all the water went into the boiler. The bucket was full, now it's gone down. It takes about 17 gallons to fill this boiler. You only want to add a little bit of water at a time. This is your drain and fill, or blow down here. Blow it down once in a while. And I'll turn on the steam to the engine. That's running pretty slow right there. Really nice engine. Runs perfect. These are your drain valves. I'm going to open those up once in a while and let the water out of the cylinder. Really nice setup. I'm going to sell it as a combination. Ship it all together in one pallet. My name is Ross. My number is 206-948-0770, and my email address is anacortesteam, that's ANACORTESTEAM, all one word, anacortesteam @gmail.com. A really nice fire going here. Drain valves here, water tight glass here. Anyway, I guess that's about it. Give me a call if you're interested in it. It'll be on eBay for sale, of course, and I offer 10% off of all the eBay prices. See you later.